Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Dr. Jose Babu, Medical Director of Alpha, stated that comprehensive home-based end-of-life care should be accessible to everyone in need. He was speaking at a program titled End of Life Care in a Changing Era, organized by the Alpha Palliative Care Kodungalur Link Center in collaboration with the Lokmaleshwaram Shri Gurudev Samajam. Doctor emphasized that it is the right of every individual to avoid unnecessary hospitalization, be relieved from severe pain, and pass away in the presence of their loved ones, and for this, society should stand united. K. Khadija B., President of the Link Center, presided over the awareness class held at the Sri Narayana Mini Hall in Kodungalur. The President added that the center is striving to construct its own building to provide services in a more improved manner. Samajam President O.K. Harshakumar, Municipal Councillors Sumesh, Shalini Venkatesh, Rashmi Babu, former Ariyat Panchayat President Prasadhini Mohanan, T.K. Surendran Master, T.G. Shashindran, and SAPC representative Meghna also spoke at the event. Amal Babu, who lost his memory, speech, and mobility following a vehicle accident and received care from the center after a long period of hospitalization, shared his experiences of recovery. Kumari spoke about the care her mother received in her final days, and Shaija detailed the care her mother received. The audience listened to these testimonials with emotional engagement. Staff members and executive members of the center participated in the event. Secretary E.V. Rameshan delivered the welcome address, and Treasurer C.S. Thilakan expressed the vote of thanks. Under the leadership of the Alpha Mala Center, efforts have begun to form chapters at the Grama Panchayat ward level. 8 chapters were formed and 75 volunteers were selected from meetings held in 8 wards of Alur Grama Panchayat. Center officials A. Ashraf and Alur Panchayat President K.R. Jojo jointly inaugurated the chapters. Panchayat Vice President Redhi Suresh, Alpha Treasurer Unnikrishnan, Patron Lisi Johnny, Senior Nursing In Charge Jilsa Madhu, and Center Coordinator Laiji Sudhir led the initiatives. P.K. Devkyamma, wife of V.V. Sukumara Pillai and retired teacher, mother of Kala, Vice President of Alpha Thiruvalla Center, passed away at Kodiyat Rohini. She was 88 years old. The funeral was held. A week prior, she had participated in the Thiruvalla Executive Committee meeting and highlighted the significance of the services provided by Alpha, which drew the attention of the entire audience. Subsequently, she accepted the position of Vice President in response to the collective request of the attendees. A meeting of the staff members of the Alpha Kalpetta Center was held. Community Director Suresh Sridharan, Vision 2030 State Coordinator Amjit Kumar, Senior Community Development Officer Fabin Baby, and Wayanad Community Development Officer Sakir VP participated. The meeting reviewed the center's activities, including home care and physiotherapy care. The meeting also decided to conduct awareness programs to reach more patients with their services. Physiotherapist Rishana Nesreen informed the meeting that 7 individuals undergoing palliative physiotherapy care at the center had reached a state where they could perform their own jobs. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.